Discover how to make pull request reviews more interactive and seamless in Visual Studio 2022. Inline commenting. Reviewers can now add comments directly within the IDE, streamlining feedback without switching interfaces. Feature activation. Enable inline commenting via Tools, then Options, then Preview Features, then Pull Request Comments. Then go to Tools again, then Options, then Pull Request Add Comment. Accessing comments. After checking out a pull request branch, select Show Comments in Files from the info bar, or navigate via Git, then ADO/GitHub, then Show Comments. Adding comments. Click the Add Comment icon in the margin, or right-click a line and choose Git, then Add Comment. Ongoing improvements. Visual Studio continues refining pull request reviews based on user feedback for a better workflow. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.